Walton is the pioneer and largest manufacturer, exporter and marketer of television, refrigerator and freezer, air conditioner, mobile phones, electrical appliances and home and kitchen appliances in Bangladesh. It started its journey in 1977 with a vision to become a global brand within 2021. Walton has established its factory complex in huge industrial area at Ghazipur near Dhaka. To ensure its global footprint, Walton is currently exporting its products to more than 20 countries, which started in 2010. Companies under Walton Group are Walton High-Tech Industries Limited, Walton Microtech Corporation, Dream Park International, Walton Service Management System, Marcel Enterprise Limited, Walton Corporation Limited, Walton Plaza and Skyroot Media Limited. Walton has one of the biggest and full-fledged factories in South Asia to manufacture freezers and refrigerators. They are made at several full-fledged units. Dices of various spare parts are manufactured here. Metal sheets are cut through most modern machines to make the body of freezers and refrigerators. Thereafter, the sheets are processed in various ways. Automatic machines are used for cabinet thermofoaming. Then, inner foaming takes place. High-quality frost and no-frost freezers are manufactured here under automatic system. Painting on freezers is done through computerized digital method. Then, compressors are set on freezers. A full-fledged fridge is manufactured in such a way, crossing various stages. Walton air conditioners are manufactured by combining high-quality raw materials and latest technology. Walton gives appropriate BTU and assurance of high quality. Walton air conditioners are manufactured in combination of 100% copper condenser and ultra-modern technology. Quality of Walton air conditioners is maintained at different levels of production. Walton has set up a HD, Full HD and 4K LED television manufacturing factory equipped with the latest technology of the world. Walton Microtech Corporation is also the pioneer for using SMT, surface mounting technology, in manufacturing LED TV, where high-speed and high-precision SMT machines are used to manufacture boards through AOI, Automatic Optical Inspection System. Dual inline package production is ensured by high-precision AI, Automatic Insertion Machine. Complete assembled board after wave solder is then checked through a complete functionality testing system before assembled as a television to ensure the highest quality and lifetime. Walton has a certified ISO Class 7 dust-free clean room. Walton has a fully automated assembly line to produce panel from 19 inches to 55 inches. Walton is manufacturing remote speaker and all other television assembling parts in its own factory. Finally, all the components from different places are coming together and assembled as a full-fledged television. More than 100 spare parts are required to manufacture Walton LED bulbs. These spare parts are manufactured with advanced machines at different production sections under different phases. The produced spare parts are assembled in the final production line to make complete LED bulbs. Finally, the LED bulbs are checked whether it is functioning well or not. The process of manufacturing high-quality battery is completed at different phases of production. After the completion of basic manufacturing process, the real shape of Walton batteries are formed. Liquid acid is poured into the batteries and the holes in the batteries are sealed with ultra-modern machines. Switch and sockets are manufactured with state-of-the-art technologies and machines through different production lines. Switch and sockets get their real shape at the final production line. Later, the produced switch and sockets are packed to supply to the market after checking them properly. More than hundreds of parts are required to build Walton fan. These parts are manufactured at different sections under different phases at Walton Microtech Corporation as per ISO standard. After manufacturing, fan undergoes different types of examinations at the testing section through different types of computerized equipment. The Department of Quality Control strictly follows the standard at every level. Then, the fan is made ready for supply. Walton is now manufacturing premium quality blender, induction cooker, gas stove, rice cooker and other home and kitchen appliances. Walton is introducing the 6th generation Intel processor-based laptop computers to its existing product line in collaboration with Intel and Microsoft. The most stylish, multifunctional and high-speed laptops of Walton brand are going to hit the country's computer market. Production capacity: refrigerator and freezer 3 million, air conditioner 0.16 million, television 1.2 million, switch and sockets 20 million, home and kitchen appliances 4.5 million, LED light 15 million, fan 3 million, battery 3 million. Walton has received some important international certificates for ensuring quality of its products.
Walton, it's our product.